Ògo aláàrẹ, àìkú àìṣá, àìdíbàjẹ́. Ògo aláàrẹ, ayérayé o, ọba.
Hello everybody, my name is Babatunde. I call myself the finest. I want to use this opportunity to invite you to the special laughter vacation in Kenya and Dubai. My God, this is proudly put together by You Fit Fly. Myself and a host of other celebrities will be going live to Kenya and Dubai. And I want you to be a part of it. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. From the 13th of December to the 19th of December 2018. Bolaji, Dr. Smile, William, Take It, Kenny Black, MC Lively. I hope that guy will not finish us with laugh. But anyways, you sure want to be a part of this. Make sure you don't miss it. Quickly rush down to the Live and get on this train.